Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So any update not installed in Windows 11 and 10, so I give you basic step. So can you using antivirus, so temporarily you can disable, right click to stop which icon. Actually antivirus stopping the update, so that's why it's not download, so new update. So you can disable and off firewall and click to start button, go to setting, click system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows troubleshoot. So guys, you can run because this is for Windows update. So actually have any issues like your services off, your internet connection not working, your dial file missing, your Windows corrupted, so all the problem will show you. Okay, so that's a very important okay. And when you finished, you checked what is the showing message, and then second click to start button, type CMD and right click to run as administrator. Click to yes. So guys, type SFC space slash scan now. So guys, this is command for the Windows corrupted file to repair, and that is start to automatically percentage and repair continuously full C drive. Okay, so please wait few minutes because around this step for the 10 to 15 minutes. Please wait for starting. And next step is guys, you can double click open browser and you can type Microsoft catalog and which KB series is you facing not download automatically, not install, so you can type KB and series and download, and you can install manually, it's not problem. Okay, but all stop doing that and then restart your systems and then KB series download. Okay, bye bye, take care guys. Have any issues so please contact me.